You finally got rid of pimples and then it leaves you with dark spots that have stayed for weeks or even months. And you were just there like, why is this still on my face? Like, why is this not going anywhere? And honestly, that's what we're fixing today. How to get rid of your dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. Hey guys, welcome back. If you have been dealing with dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone, this video is going to help you to understand what is going on and what you can actually do to fix it step by step. So hyperpigmentation is actually when the part of your skin becomes darker than the rest. This happens because your skin produces extra pigments, and that pigment is what gives your skin its color. And when it is uneven, that is when you see dark spots or patches on your skin. And this can happen for different reasons. And the most common ones can be after acne. When you've treated your acne and it now leaves your skin with dark spots. And then you have sunburn from too much exposure to sun over time. And another one is melasma, which is more hormonal and a bit harder to treat. But don't worry, most of the things I'm going to show you will help you with all of that. Now let's talk about the ingredients that will help you fade the dark spots. The first one is going to be vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is very good for fading dark spots, especially for uneven skin, to making your skin to be even over time when you use it over time. Vitamin C is very, very good. Okay. Then the second ingredient will be niacinamide. And niacinamide also helps to brighten up your skin and fade dark spots and also calms your skin as well. Another one is going to be alpha-arbutin, which is good for targeting hyperpigmentations directly. The other one will be AHA or BHA, which will help to remove dead skins so your skin will look smoother and clearer. Then retinol, which will also help to renew your skin faster over time. Then the last one, and not the least, is sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen, very important. Then for routine, in the morning, go in with a gentle cleanser. Your vitamin C serum, you can also add niacinamide or any other light serum. Use a lightweight moisturizer to help your skin balance. Then the last one, use the sunscreen, very important. Always use your sunscreen every day. Okay, always use your sunscreen every day, whether you are going out or you're indoor. Make sure you use your sunscreen because you cannot be trying to treat dark spots and you're not using sunscreen. Okay, you need sunscreen so that it will also help it to work better. Then at night, make sure your skin is properly clean. You can also double cleanse if you wear makeup or sunscreen. Okay, if you can also double cleanse. It's also very good. Then exfoliate few times a week, like 2 to 3 times is okay. Then use a treatment like alpha-arbutin or retinol. You can start slowly. So you don't need expensive skincare to fix this. They are affordable options. Now, let's be real. Dark spots doesn't disappear overnight. Okay, you have to give it time. Give it like weeks to months. Okay, the key is to be consistent and be patient. It will go, but it's not going to go like today, tomorrow. It's going to take time. Okay, so if this video helps you, please comment down below and like, subscribe, and also share. And I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.